Hi viewer, welcome to another episode of Kansiris. In this video we will discuss top secret to success and riches. How people get rich and successful will be explained in this video. Please like this video if you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updated videos like this. Top secret to success and riches is don't work for money. Work for passion. Money will come automatically. This is the winners and rich people's secret. That many successful people often say follow your passion and money will follow you. Find your passion and follow it with persistence no matter what happens. Money will follow you. When you work with passion you will find satisfaction which leads to inner peace and happiness. Then you will find balance in life and profession. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. I am Sirish Kantamaneni. Please like this video if you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updated videos like this. You are watching Kansiris.